This video is presented by Structured Foundation Repairs, Dallas-Fort Worth's industry leader in foundation repair and drainage correction. This brief video is a compilation of photos showing some of the most common things that often are mistaken as signs of a foundation problem that actually are not. Very seldom is there a foundation problem when only one small sign is present. Our owner, Tom Kidd, always says it takes more than one ingredient to make a cake. That being said, the next pictures show you some of the most common things customers call us about that are not, in and of themselves, signs of a foundation problem. If you are concerned that you may have a foundation problem, or for other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us at 972-484-1200 or visit our website at structuredfoundation.com.